Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss why NumPy and the differences between NumPy and Python lists. Okay, let's get jump into the topic. So NumPy, why NumPy? Why you have to use NumPy when there is already a data type called inbuilt data type called lists in the native Python? Why means because of the following advantages. Generally, NumPy arrays support vectorized operations, that means broadcasting, while lists don't. That means vectorized operations means when you have an array, if you want to add some number to each and every element in that array, it's very simple in NumPy, but it's not that much simple in lists. Okay, we have to manually do some extra code in order to get that functionality, but in NumPy it's just it's a simple of say if you want to add some 3 or 4 to each and every element in an array, just you simply add plus 4 or plus 3 or plus 2, whichever number you want. So it will be added to each and every element in that array. So this is a vectorized operations it will support, but list doesn't support that one. So and generally this is the big advantage of NumPy array. And then once an array is created, you cannot change its size, and you will have to create a new array or override the existing one. So generally it's a con when we see the differences between the list and an array. So when we talk about array, so array, when we initialize that size and that is constant, that size cannot be changed afterwards. But in the case of lists, the size can be changed. It's a natural to the lists, but in case of an NumPy array, its size cannot be changed. If you want to change the size, you need to recreate an array or override the existing one. And then next difference is so in NumPy array, all the elements in an array is of same data type, but in the lists, list will accept different data types also. Some floats, ints, strings. Sorry. So that type of different data types lists will accept, but in NumPy accepts only one data type in an array, and that is a significant difference. And then other difference is generally NumPy arrays occupy very much less space when compared to the Python native lists. Python native lists occupy more memory space than NumPy array. And one more important difference is that is an advantage of NumPy arrays over Python lists is NumPy arrays are faster in operation, in accessing, in processing when compared to Python lists. Okay, so these are the major differences of NumPy and Python lists. And NumPy, why we have to use NumPy for array related operations means for high level support, high level mathematical scientific support will be given by NumPy, and native lists can't give that much support when in the case of high level manipulation, array manipulations, one dimensional, two dimensional, or three dimensional, like that. Okay. So now we will see these differences. We already saw these differences, and in the next class we will see the installation of NumPy, how to install NumPy, everything. Okay, till then, bye bye. Yours Raghava Veera signing off.